There are several ways of creating a question in Vietnamese. One of the easiest questions is a tag question. For example, if we want to ask, "You take a bus to work, don't you?" Into Vietnamese, we would say, "Chị đi xe buýt đi làm, phải không?" To answer this, we either say, "Yes, I take a bus to work." Phải, mình đi xe buýt đi làm. Or, "No, I don't take a bus. I use a scooter." Không, mình không đi xe buýt đi làm. Mình đi xe máy. As you can see, this type of question has a tag phrase phải không at the end of it, separated from the main clause with a comma. And to answer this type of question, we just use one of the keywords. If we answer yes, we say phải, then repeat the main clause. If our answer is no, we say không, and then repeat the main clause. But this time we have to add the element not, which is không, right before the main verb. Pay attention to the verb là though. You see, when we see là in a sentence, we have to pay a bit extra attention. There's three types of sentences: an affirmative, a negative, and a question. When we see là in an affirmative sentence, we can just relax. But when we want to use là in a negative sentence or in a question, then we have to give it a bit extra attention. For example, if we want to ask, "This is Auntie Janet, isn't it?" Đây là cô Janet, phải không? If the answer is yes, it is, we say phải, đây là cô Janet. But if we want to say no, it's not, then we have to say không, đây không phải là cô Janet. You see, there's one new element adding to the negative sentence here. Không phải, before we actually use a verb là. As mentioned earlier, phải means yes, but adding this new element phải should not confuse you grammar-wise. In fact, adding the word phải to a negative sentence and a question is something that will make our negative sentence and our question natural. Once we master how to use this type of question, we will be ready to move on to the next type, which is over here.